In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list your property on Booking.com. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without any confusion. First, open your web browser and go to the official Booking.com website. Make sure you're on the real site and that the language and currency at the top of the page match your preferences. If you're using a phone, you can do this in a mobile browser or the app, but a desktop browser often makes the setup easier because you can see more options at once. Once the home page loads, look for the option that says List Your Property. On desktop, it's usually at the top of the page. On mobile, it may be inside the main menu. Click that. This takes you to Booking.com's partner area where owners and managers start the onboarding process. If you already have an account, you can sign in as you go. If not, you'll be able to create one during the flow, so don't worry about that up front. Next, click Create New Listing. That button begins the guided setup. From here, Booking.com will walk you through several screens where you provide details about your place. You'll typically be asked to choose the property type, share the address, and confirm the number of rooms or units. You'll also add amenities, house rules, and photos. A quick tip: prepare a few bright, high-resolution photos in landscape orientation ahead of time. Living area, bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchen, and any standout features. Good photos help your place perform better in search results. As you move through the prompts, write clear and honest descriptions. Highlight what makes your space special and be specific about bed sizes, Wi-Fi, parking, and check-in details. You'll also set availability and rates. If you're unsure about pricing, start with a competitive nightly rate based on similar properties in your area. Then adjust as you gather bookings and reviews. Before you finish, you may be asked to verify your address and provide payout details. Keep your identification and the banking information ready, as verification helps protect both you and your guests. Also, check local regulations for short-term rentals or hospitality requirements in your region to ensure you're compliant from day one. When you're done, review everything carefully, spelling, numbers, and photos, and submit. Booking.com may take a short time to confirm your listing. After that, you can return anytime to update prices, availability, and policies. That's it. Go to Booking.com, click List Your Property, and then click Create New Listing. Follow the on-screen guidance and you'll be ready to welcome your first guests.